my goodness. You put shaving cream to make it foamy. Shake it. Okay, that is enough. Oh my goodness, look at that shaving cream there. Okay. Okay, you can add 1 drop of food coloring to make color. Okay. Alright, now let's mix it. Oh my goodness, look at all that shaving cream on there. Oh, it's turning blue. Oh my goodness, what does that smell? Oh my goodness. Oh. Guys, something smells stinky in here. Can you smell it, Mom? I think it's ready to be touched. Oh. If it's still sticky, add more contact lens solution. Oh my god. Ooh, this is good. Oh, Mommy's taking away the stuff from me. Goodness. Oh my goodness. Yes. Ooh. Now it's ready. Let's stretch it. Whoa. Let's see how strong. Oh my goodness, that stretches so. Get my magnifying glass out of here. Oh my goodness, it's okay. I'm gonna try to roll it up in a ball. Yeah, it's so fun. Oh, it broke. Let's put that back together. Ooh, so cool. It's like popping bubble. Let's make a window. Oh, it's coming at the window. I can barely see you guys. I made a bubble, but then it came down. Let's do that again. I'm barely gonna see you guys. Okay, see? I can barely see you. Oh, I made a bubble! Okay, let's get that back. This is so fun to play with. I'm gonna poke it. So fun. Looks like puppy paws. I mean. Let's make a bubble again. I'm getting better at making bubbles, guys. Oh my goodness, no. Okay. Stretch it out like this. And then 1, 2. Look at this bubble. Mom, can you help me make a big bubble, please?
Okay, let's see. Let's make it even. Wait. I don't know. This is fun.
It's fine, Mommy.
Make sure it's even. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Help me. Help. Okay.
I'll help you stretch it.
Let's stretch it little by little.
This is an easier way. You should just stretch it.
Yeah. Make sure it doesn't have any holes.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. There. And then, wait, right here.
One.
And then,
I'm not gonna.
we can do it again, I think. Oops. Oh no, we have to get everything. Yeah, you got everything?
Yeah.
Okay, can you do it by yourself?
I think
Let's
so.
try it. Make sure it's even out first. Alright, there. This is bouncy. Okay, you can try it.
Okay, let's stretch it out, guys. Oh, what? How did you do that, Mommy?
You do it. Okay, I'll help you. Oh no! Look.
You broke it, Mommy.
There. Okay, stretch it like this. Oh.
Okay, guys, bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. And comment down below what you want to see next. Ooh, this is like rope. Bye.